is Talia.
Hello, my name is Javier.
Hello, my name is Alexis.
Our project is about the acquisitions of the signal from car horn, plus its graphs, calculation of variance, standard and unveiled, which links to the analysis of the driving, the FRT and USA. Then my friend is going to explain the project.
In the first part, we have to get the signal through this command, audio read. Then next, in this command to get signal number 2. Next, we have the sampling frequency. Now we have to transfer the signal through the sampling in time. The amplitude through the sampling and the time. In this part, we have to plot the signal transformate. In this part, we calculate variance of the signal 1 and the signal 2. Next, we calculated, and in this part, we calculate median of signal 1 and signal 2, and furthermore calculated standard desviation through command STV. Classmate is going to explain about the Fourier transform.
The pop-up window shows us the graphs. In the first graphs, we show the signals of the audio, as well as its frequency and amplitude. Later, in the lower part, we have the Fourier transform in the amplitude and time, the same ones that show audio signals and with our purpose with the project. Thank you, guys.
I hope you like our video tutorial.
Thank you for watching the video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.